I don't kid in here. I have a very good sense of humor outside of here, but I told you I wasn't going to adjourn this. And then I get a stipulated order, like I sign 150 to 200 orders a week, probably in judgments. Why would you submit an order, a stipulated order adjourning a bench trial when I just got done telling you I wasn't going to adjourn it? I hope you don't do that in other courts.
Judge.
So listen to what I'm telling you, counsel. I am not happy about this. I don't fool around in here. I'm not kidding. You guys had multiple pretrials, and now all of a sudden there's this urgency to adjourn because your client is going to start a job. If you had a pretrial on February the 5th, 19th, 16th of April, February 5th and 19th and March 19th and April 16th. And now you're telling my clerk your client's not showing up and you want to know when you can walk him in? Listen to me very carefully. If he dares plays games with me like that, he better have a lot of money. And don't think if you walk in here on Monday or Tuesday or Friday that I'm going to just say, oh, let's let bygones be bygones. He will be sitting in that lockup unless he's married to a physician for the longest time. But more important, I'm disappointed in you. When I tell you I'm not going to adjourn something, you don't submit a stipend order to adjourn behind my back with the hopes I'll forget about it and sign it. I'm serious as a heart attack. Why would you do such a thing?
Mr. Vogia asked me if I could do whatever I could to get it.
You brought it up. I said no. Why would you do such a thing? I don't care what your client asked you to do.
Judge, he finally got it before. He has 2 weeks where he can't.
This is an animal violation case. It's a dog bite.
It's a domestic violence, Judge. And they're going through a custody issue, so that's why he was trying to get it so the custody issue would not affect his.
You mean to tell me if he starts one day later, he can't get a job at Ford Motor Company?
Judge, the email said that he has to be there for 2 weeks straight. Otherwise, he will be terminated from the job. There's no exceptions, no excuses.
When is he supposed to start?
He started on Monday, Judge. So I think he's gonna miss work tomorrow and have to reapply to Ford.
Listen. I thought it was an animal violation, but it doesn't matter.
Now, did you?
Well, why so many? This is a domestic violence case. That's fine. But why so many pre-trials? If you guys needed to push this through, I'd have given you a trial date 6 weeks ago.
Judge, we didn't want to push this through. We wanted to work with the family law to get their custody issue set up at the same time as this was being resolved. And they were supposed to have a custody hearing last week, and it's been a contentious issue. So, and he wants to be able to support his 2 children with the victim. And he was a former police officer.
I don't care who he was.
And he lost his job, and now he's been working as a plumber, but he's like, I finally have a job to get in at Ford. I can't leave my kids and move some other place.
I know, but if he told you that.
Judge, I begged him to say, I said, can you start 2 weeks later?
Listen to me. If he told you that. I vaguely remember you saying something about starting a job. Maybe you brought this up.
I don't believe I did, Judge, because I didn't know. He said he was looking for a job. He was waiting on Ford to get back to it, but I don't know if I brought it up. I did bring up that he had custody. I wasn't trying to sneak anything by the judge.
No, but you can't do this. I was really surprised. I didn't think you would do something like this. I mean, you could have filed an emergency motion then and it been explanatory. It said this, that, and the other. All I've heard is adjourn on this case. I don't want to cost anybody a job. Heather, I'm going to forget that Mr. Nienhouse handled this inappropriately.
Judge, I take full responsibility.
Hang on. I'm going to adjourn this. You called Mr. Cayley's office. They already submitted a stip in order. I'm gonna adjourn this 2 more weeks. Is that gonna do it? May 14th?
Yes, Judge.
You sure?
Yes, Judge.
Because you said he started this last week and he needs to be there for 2 weeks, right?
He told me it was 2 weeks. He can't, I was like,
All right, okay, fair enough. For some reason, I thought this was an animal violation.
no, Judge, this was a,
We're gonna adjourn this to, or is it May the 13th, Heather? No, May the
No, 'cause
14th.
it'll be May 14th, Judge. Do you want to
And
do
I'm
it
here
at
that day,
11
right?
o'clock? Yes, you are.
What time are we gonna do this?
Do you want to do
Judge.
11? Are we doing it as a trial that day?
Yes.
So you want
What?
to do 11 o'clock?
What?
I was gonna say I have a Dearborn at 8:30 in the morning, so if I could just have it after 9:30 or 10.
I'll make it 11. May 14th at 11. I'm gonna forget this happened, by the way. Next time, file a motion, emergency motion. I'll accommodate you with an emergency motion, but I felt like you were trying to get one by on me, and I don't like that.
No, Judge, as soon as I got information from Mr. Bogia, I reached out to Mr. The APA,
May 14th, that's what we'll do.
and I was like, well, what's going on? I was like,
All right, good enough, good enough. No sense groveling any further, but I was disappointed in you. That's all I'm gonna tell you. It's forgotten. People against Buddy, or Bradley. Brianna Mae Bradley, 26W841845, A and B. Now, what is the situation with this? Ma'am, come on up here and state your name, please.
I'm Brianna Neighborhood.
So the prosecutor's just dismissing. Is there a reason for it?
Yes, Judge, we found out later on there were co-defendants after I filed my appearances because they just got 2 separate tickets. The co-defendants taking full responsibility for this, and Miss Bradley was, based on the video evidence, was trying to break up the incident.
Okay, so for purposes of arraignment, she stands mute with
Yes.
formal reading. Dismissed motion of the prosecutor.
No.
So he's saying that he's going to go ahead and just, because the co-defendant, Mr. Bradley, is going to take responsibility, right?
Yes,
Okay, good enough. Case dismissed, Nolly Prost, motion of the prosecutor. Ma'am, he is dismissing without prejudice. I'm not saying he can't refile, but he's not likely to. So I'm dismissing the case. You're all set. Have a good day. Thank you. People against Christopher Bradley. Christopher Brian Bradley, Jr., 26W841844 A and B. Make sure you call Mr. Cayley so he can call up his witnesses on that case tomorrow. Will you please, Heather?
Okay,
No, man. You can call him too. That's fine. All right. Your appearance,
Patrick Mann, P76343, Judge.
sir, your name?
Christopher Bradley.
All right. So we have a disturb the peace in an A and B. And does he stand mute and waive formal reading?
Yes, Judge.
And so now he's going to plead guilty to both of these, both the A and B and the disorderly under section 771.1. I got to call in the prosecutor real quick. Mr. Urick, please. I can't do a 771 for 18 months.
Okay.
It has to be disposed of within 12 months. Heidi, you can, 769, you can, 7411, you can, any of these other statutes, but you can't do it on a 771. So he's just going to have to change it or do something else, but I can't do 18 months probation on
I should have thought that myself.
That's all right.
I know sometimes you can waive that.
That's all right. Well, I don't.
Yeah, no,
Okay, so, sir, do you understand? So first of all, he stands mute, waives formal
Yes,
reading, right?
yes.
And now he's going to plead guilty to these 2 charges, disturb the peace in A and B, and then there's going to be a plea of, Urick, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. William York on behalf of the city of Winhaven.
I can't do 771.1 for more than 12 months.
Is that right, Judge?
Yeah,
I apologize.
there's nothing to apologize about. You want to just redo it to 12 months, or you want to do something else with Mr. Nyans?
We'll do it 12 months if the court please.
All right, good enough. So it's going to be 12 months, and that's still agreeable, obviously, with your client, right? Mr.
yes,
So if you plead guilty to that, sir, I want you to understand that each of these are punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. I'll take them under section 771.1. The conviction will enter now. I'll send you for a pre-sentence report. And if you're compliant at the end of the year, the case will be dismissed. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that? Okay. Do you have any questions on any of your rights?
No, Your Honor.
To the charge, disturb the peace, how do you plead?
Plead guilty.
To the charge, assault and battery, how do you plead?
Plead guilty, Your Honor.
On March 15 of 26 at 1:44 PM, were you at 22900 Allen Road near Weston Woodhaven?
Was it here? Yes, Your Honor.
And what, is that a business establishment?
Yes, it is, Judge.
What is it? What business is that?
It's outside of Christoph's, Your Honor.
Okay. And what happened that makes you guilty of those two offenses? Disturb the peace and assault and battery?
Mutual combat, Your Honor.
No,
Well,
so let me,
No, I mean,
can I,
no, let me ask the questions. Did you come into contact with Joseph Clinton?
yes, Your Honor.
Did you know Joseph Clinton prior to that? Did you just meet him that day?
That was our first meeting, Your Honor.
Okay. And what happened? Did you strike him in any way?
I did strike him, yes, Your
With what?
Honor. My hand.
This? Okay. Where'd you strike him at?
Space, Your Honor.
How many times?
Unknown amount, Your Honor.
Pardon?
Unknown amount, Your Honor.
So you punched him in the face multiple times. Is that fair?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you disturbing the peace in some other way? Were you yelling, screaming, swearing?
There, other people got out of their cars and it caused the disturbance. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So what happened? Why did you punch him?
He almost T-boned me and my children, Your Honor.
All right. So he was backing out of a car, out of a parking lot?
No,
Or?
it was at the intersection, Your Honor.
Okay. So you got angry with the way he was driving. Is that fair?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then you accosted him or came up to him and started yelling at him. Is that fair?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then what happened? Did he ever punch you or swing at you or take a strike at you before you punched him?
Before, no, Your Honor.
Not before.
Before, no, Your Honor.
So you were the aggressor first. Is that fair to say?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
that you weren't acting in self-defense?
No, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole right now?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, right?
yes, Judge, thank you very much, I appreciate that.
I'll accept the plea. I'll take it under, under 771, both of them. And I'll make them 12 months. And we'll set it under, I'll take it under 771.1 commencing on the date of the sentence. I am going to order, he wasn't under the influence of anything, was he? You agree this wasn't the right way to handle this, right?
Big mistake.
Okay, fair enough.
Told you, I'm gonna take responsibility.
I got it. Mr. Nienhuis, I'm gonna give him pre-sentence report. If you want, maybe I can even do it the same day as your other case. We set it for May 14th, right, Heather?
Yes, at 11 a.m.
Yes, Judge.
Well, let's set this one for 10:45. How's that?
Perfect, Judge.
And then I'll sentence him then. And getting back to the other Mr. Nienhuis, maybe it was just a misunderstanding. I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. And I was just upset when I got a stipend order to adjourn when I'd said I hadn't. And next time I just encourage you to file a motion and explain it, and I'll be reasonable with you, okay?
Okay, please, Judge, I appreciate you.
All right, so you're gonna go down, no problem. You're gonna go down the hall. And just to not carry on here, I've always liked you and so you're gonna go down the hall, get your notice, and then you're going over to probation where you'll be interviewed, okay?
Judge, I do have a question. Can we do
Sure.
it that day or are we gonna notify the victim on this or no?
You have to notify the victim.
So does it have to
probation-
be on a Woodhaven day or no? If we have to notify the victim?
Yeah, it should be. That's Woodhaven though, right?
Not on that other day as his other case, because that's a Thursday.
Because that's a flat rock case, Judge.
Oh, jeez.
Judge,
Yeah,
I'll make
so
a
we
motion.
would-
Okay, yeah.
We
we're
have to do it on the
make
13th.
My mistake.
No problem, Judge, 19.
Yeah,
And Judge, are both of these being taken under 7711?
both of them will. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So we'll make it May the 13th then. Are you good at 8:30 or?
Can we get a little later, just because I've gone over?
I don't have a problem. I'll make it 10:30. How's that?
That works, James. Thank you.
Okay.
We here a little early.
I gotta set bond conditions though. I neglected to do that. Your client doesn't have any warrants out, does he?
No, Judge.
He was never fingerprinted on this though, was he?
No, he was not, Judge.
So, sir, listen, I have to order you to go over there and get prints, okay? So here are your bond conditions. I'm gonna give you $1,000 personal bond, okay? $1,000 personal bond on these. And we'll give you a copy of the bond sheet. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and order that you go over to the Woodhaven Police Department to be fingerprinted and photographed by 1 p.m. today, that you not purchase, possess, or purchase or possess firearms or other dangerous weapons, that you not enter the property address at 22900 Allen Road. That's the Christophs. And also that you not have any contact with the victim, Joseph Clinton, okay? So you cannot have any contact with him. You cannot have anybody write him, phone him, see him, text him, email him. You cannot do any of those things for you or on your behalf. Do you have anybody else do any of those things for you or on your behalf? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna fill out an order for prints, which they're gonna send over there. So you have to go over to Woodhaven today and we will go from there. Anything else, counsel?
No, Judge. Bring a date of appearance, we'll split for probation, and then we should be done by once, we can get to it.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Okay, there we go. All right. Tamara Hall. This is 2-6-8-4-1-8-4-6. Good morning, ma'am. Your name?
Camera.
Did I get you a lawyer?
You did.
Where is he?
And with all of us.
I don't even see where a stip form was done. Did he meet with the prosecutor?
You did, yes.
John, see if I accidentally put it in that file. I might have accidentally put it in that last file. I don't see one in here. Well, maybe I did pull it out. That's my guess.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. All right. Let me go on to the next case. Won't you have a seat right there? McLily Wilson, Jordan Elizabeth McLily Wilson, if that's you, ma'am, 26W842 3808. And you come on up to the podium and tell me your name?
My name is Jordan Cody Wilson.
You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You're also charged with minor in possession. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. You want a lawyer?
Yes, please.
Okay. We'll give you a lawyer. You go out in the hallway and we'll set you up, okay? Good luck. Recalling Tamara Kara Hall, 26W841846. Good morning, ma'am. Your name?
That's Tamara Sierra Hall.
Mr. Crawford?
Morning, I'm Mike Crawford, representing Ms. Hall.
So she stands mute, waives formal reading, right?
That's good.
He says you pre-tried it, he says extenuating circumstances, so he's gonna dismiss the B and E. Or mitigating circumstances, he's gonna dismiss the B and E and have her plead to a civil infraction of public nuisance, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
To that charge, ma'am, of public nuisance under 110-106 of the Woodhaven Code of Ordinances, how do you plead responsible and not responsible? Please accept that B and E is dismissed, $200. You can go down and pay that. You're all set. Best of luck to you.
Yeah.
Good luck.
To him in the day.
You don't have it now?
I have it. I have $20.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can go down the hall and take care of that. We're setting you up with this one too, John. Give him that one.
Oh, is that problem?
Here you go.
I mean, it's a docket case. I don't know if he's on our docket. Well, it is, though. All right, this is not, I don't find this amusing at all. To the charge impeding traffic, do you plead responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Are you in school still or are you out?
No, Your Honor.
I don't know, no what? No, you're not?
No, I'm not in school, Your Honor.
Pardon?
No, I am not in school, Your Honor.
Did you graduate?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
What are you doing now?
Security, Your Honor.
Security where?
In Wyandotte.
What that means in Wyandotte. Where does that, where at in Wyandotte?
At BASF.
Listen, I'm going to take your plea. I'm going to dismiss the traffic control device. I'm going to dismiss the violation of basic speed law. I'll tell you, you got to be more careful here. 195 is your total. Can you pay that today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please slow down. Running 4 stop signs in a subdivision. Kids running around there. This was at what time? 1:41 in the morning. How old are you again, Mr. Barton? You say 19?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh? Nothing good happens at 2:00 in the morning. Thanks, Mr. McDermott. Have a good day. Good luck.
Thanks, Judge. Take care.
You're going to pay that today, right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck. All right, people against, Agron Brahimi, 26842-174. How you doing, Ms. Garian?
Good, Judge. Good to see you.
You too. What do we owe the pleasure of you coming in person?
I was told to come in person, so I followed directions. I don't know why. I'm special. Oh, you're right now.
Why did they tell you to come in person?
I don't know. And I even
Who'd
called,
you talk to?
the court notice says in person, and then I called, earlier this week. I don't know.
Heather, do you know anything about that?
I do not, Judge. I'm looking at what case it is. Usually we put in person on the defendant's copy, but then if there's, oh no, and on these I usually, oh no, she's a pre-form. I usually send a Zoom form with these for the pre-formals with the retained attorney.
Yeah, what happened here? Well, I don't know what happened.
I'm here and it worked out and it's fine, Judge. Always good to see you.
You too. I don't think you would have talked to my judicial clerk because I don't think she would have insisted that. I know she wouldn't have. Maybe you talked to one of the other staff and they thought you were a defendant. I don't know. But at any rate, my apologies. You're gonna plead to impeding your authorized signer of that plea, correct? On behalf of your client?
That's correct.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted, 150. I'll give them a week, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
May 6th. Have a great day. Take care. Be careful out there. All that water on the roadway, right? Aaron. Justin Tyreek Heron. 26W841-783 A, B, and C. Okay, Mr. Heron, you can come on up here and tell me your name, please.
Justin Harris.
All right, so you met with the city attorney. You're going to plead guilty to allowing unlicensed driver to drive. And they are then going to dismiss the drug.
See, I don't know.
They are then going to move to dismiss the driving on a suspended, no proof of insurance and expired plate, true?
Correct, Your Honor.
And that's what you want to do?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
apparently you have another ticket you're going to pay today, right?
I'm on a payment plan. I just made a payment for the,
All right. Okay, if you plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, I'm going to dismiss all other charges. The possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all those. Do you understand that?
yes, Your Honor.
You just sign, read, and understand the advice of rights.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You still have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Would you like a lawyer?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
To the charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On the 7th of March of 26, were you in control of a 2011 Ford that was being operated on Western Island and Woodhaven?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed,
Yes.
and that was you, right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no,
And you're still suspended, right?
yeah,
Please accept it. Suspends, dismissed, no proof of insurance and expired plate are dismissed. You gotta stop doing this, son. Anything you want to say?
no, Your Honor.
100 fines, 150 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. I'll go kind of light, but 375 or 90 days. Do you have all that to pay
375.
or 90 days?
I can start. I got a payment plan on the 272 for those features. So can I put them together for a payment plan?
When are you supposed to pay and how much on
I
those?
just paid today, another payment, I'm supposed to pay 55 a month.
Yeah, Judge, his payment plan on his other tickets is $55 monthly. He did make a payment today on that.
High-low operator at Holland,
How much do you make there?
maybe 18 bucks. 18 bucks.
You have kids?
Yes,
How many?
one, but I take care of everything in my household.
So you can pay that, can you pay 50 more per month on this one?
So 100 a month total.
Well, if you're paying 55, yeah, that'd be 105. Can you do that?
I can make that happen.
All right, 50 per month, beginning May the 15th. Can you do that?
Yes, right.
Or you want me to give you a little more time? How about May 31?
End of May.
May 31.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you're all set.
All right, thanks.
Have a good day. It'll give you another printout on that just so you, know you have to pay on that particular case. So go down the hall, please. Austin J. Doyle, 26W8419318. Did you send that other file down with John yet, Heather?
No, I have it sitting here. He hasn't been down here.
Okay, okay. Your name?
Austin J.
All right, you're charged with driving on a suspended. I can arraign you, send you to the prosecutor, or I can give you a lawyer.
Give me a lawyer, please.
Sure. I'll give you a lawyer. And you have a second charge of obstructed vision. Heather, can you have somebody run that down, please?
Yes, Judge, I have someone bringing it down right now.
Go out there. If he's gonna set you up with a lawyer, you can go right outside in the hallway, okay?
Thank you, John.
Thank you. N.A. Manson Sons Inc., 267842464. That needs a lawyer. And this one's done. Your name, sir?
Eric Conley.
And I can't let you appear on behalf of a corporation on a misdemeanor. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get a lawyer. I'm not trying to make money for lawyers, but that's just the rule on a criminal case. So I can't do it. I can give you an adjournment, but you're gonna have to hire a lawyer, okay?
Sir.
It's not my rule. It's the state's rule. The court's rule, whatever you want to call it. Mark, May the 13th. Is that at 8:30, Heather?
Yes, we could do 8:30.
I'm sorry, it's your first name is
Eric.
Eric. And that's TRONBLEY, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're all set. Thanks. Mr. Knight, you and I are gonna talk.
I know, Judge.
Okay. Said he's waiting for the prosecutor.
Where's the prosecutor?
He said he's talking to somebody else right now.
People against, Donald James Pittaway, 2688406868 and B. All right, Mr. Caldwell, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, be Caldwell on Mr. Pittaway, who's standing to my right.
Sir, your name?
Don Pittaway.
So this is gonna be a plea to what?
We have an agreement to a disorderly person and a civil nuisance. The other two counts are dismissed.
So he's gonna plead the disorderly person on the larceny, is that it?
Correct.
And then he's going to plead the public
Public
nuisance,
nuisance.
public nuisance on the B file, which is the concealed property file, right? Am I reading this right?
That's correct.
All right, and that's a civil infraction. So you understand what has just been said here, Mr. Pittaway?
Yeah,
All right, so if you plead to public nuisance, that's a civil infraction. If you plead to disorderly person, that is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail costs, or all of those. Do you understand that?
yes,
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
yes,
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
yes.
All right. To the charged disorderly person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On March 31 of 26 at 7:03 PM, we had 23901 Allen Road near Weston Woodhaven.
Quit.
What business was that?
Tire shop,
Which one?
Bell Tire.
And what did you do?
I went back there, caused a disturbance.
Nah. Did you take 4 tires totaling $80, total
Yes,
value $880, attempting to sell them? So you stole $880 worth of tires, is that true?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
Yes,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no,
They should have charged you with a 1-year misdemeanor, you know that? Yeah, these disorderlies, they drive me crazy. Disorderly first. What? No, I got guys trying to tell me I was loud. To the charge public nuisance, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
response,
Please accept it to that. It's a civil infraction. Please accept it disorderly. The larceny is dismissed. Concealing stolen property is dismissed. I'm still ordering a pre-sentence report, okay? So we'll come back for sentence. It's going to be May the 13th, Heather.
Yes, Judge.
And we'll do that at 8:45. Is that good, Mr. Caldwell?
Yes, there's the check. May, what day?
That's 2 weeks from today, May the
May
13th.
In the morning. Yep, that'll work.
All right, good. Okay. Bonds continued. Mr. Pittaway, you're going to go down the hall, get your notice, and then go over to probation where you'll be interviewed. All right? We'll see you back here. Thank you.
Thank you, Don.
You have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Is Mr. Gaith ready on his, Heather?
He walked away down the hall. He came down here and filed his appearances, so I'm not sure if he spoke with anyone yet.
And the interpreter's here.
Yes, I believe so. Judge, with that public nuisance on this one, you just want me to put this it with the sentencing on the 13th?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
So the last two are Woodhaven cases, right? Mr. Gase and
Yeah.
Mr.
And Crawford has, Stiller and Hicks,
We still got all those?
then Mr. Granada and Mr. Doyle.
What in the world is going on?
I only gave one of Granada, so I don't know what's going on.
What time did you give it to him?
Almost an hour ago.
Find out what's going on.
That's McLily.
Who?
McLily.
Telling you right now.
Did they want an attorney?
Who?
Oh, I must have been out of courtroom for that one. McLilly?
Was that the driving unsuspended?
It was a open intox MIP thing for.
Drunk driving too.
Did she want an attorney or?
Yeah.
Yeah, I must have been out of the courtroom. You must have thrown that up and I didn't, I just put it in the stack.
I thought. Hey, how are you, Tess? Stay seated.
Where's back stuff?
All right. Anthony Butler versus Paul and Shauna Robertson, 2600122. Everybody's name here, please.
Paul Robertson.
You got to start your video, sir. Where's Shauna Robertson?
She's right next to me. I'm sorry.
You got to start your video.
Okay.
State your name, Mr. Butler. You're muted.
Yep, sorry about that, Your Honor. Anthony Butler.
That's okay. And ma'am, your name?
Mine's Skylar Crenshaw.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Skylar Crenshaw.
Skylar Crenshaw?
Yeah, we're engaged, so I'm just sitting here on the chat.
All right. And I have Mr. and Mrs. Robertson over here. State your names.
My name is Shauna Roberts.
And my name's Paul Robertson.
Okay, so what do we have here, folks? I adjourned it a week. You guys told me you understood the rights. And what did you tell me that was owed, Mr. Butler?
At the time, we were at $5,700 in past due rent, and then now that February passed, it'd be another $1,850 added on to that.
$7,550. And what was the issue here again, Mr. Robertson? You're talking about the basement?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's wrong with the basement?
There's water intrusion that's creating.
Did you send? Listen.
Yes.
Did you send pictures over here?
Yes.
This
is to the city inspector.
Because I asked for it.
Well, we don't work with the city. They're independent. I have nothing to do with the city.
Okay. I did not send pictures to the court. I was not aware that I needed, or that was a request. I can certainly do that.
Do it right now. Jennifer, what am I gonna tell them to do? It M-file them?
Yes, Judge, but I'm guessing they probably don't have an M-File account at the moment. It might take them a few minutes to set that up. Yeah,
But you haven't had to stay at any hotels or anything, right? It isn't that bad, right?
That's correct, but we don't know how bad it is, and that's why I requested the city inspection and kind of went that route.
You're gonna pay
because-
all of your rent into escrow today, though, right?
Pardon me, sir? I'm sorry.
You're gonna pay all of your rent into escrow pending the outcome of this, right?
That is correct.
You have the 7,500 to come up here and put it out now?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Why don't you send those photos? I'll go on to another case and then I'll come back there, okay?
All right, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hidden Oaks versus Lisa Cisco. 2600138. Counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Joseph Shimatero on behalf of plaintiff.
Is Miss Cisco here?
No, Miss Cisco has not checked in, Your Honor.
All right. I'll give you a default, counsel. Go ahead.
Judge, rent to retain possession is $5,150 to date. I received a $44.75 process server fee. Statutory attorney fee is $75. And I don't have the filing fee in front of me, Judge. I don't know if you have it there or not, but
Do you have any late fees? You have $130 filing fee, and it looks like another fee of 13. So you got 143 plus 44.75, which should be 177, 187.75, 257, 262.75 should be everything, including your statutory attorney fees and your costs. So your total here should be 5412.75 on my math.
5150 plus the 262.75 is, so can't do that. Not good enough to do that one in my head. Hold on one second. $5,675.50. That.
Wait a minute. I thought you said 5150.
Oh yeah, 51. No, you're right. You're right. My bad.
Plus 262.75.
It's $5,412.75.
Thank you. I can do the math with the best of them, Mr. Chimatero. Listen.
You're a lot better at it than I am, Judge.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You didn't charge in excess of $75 a month for late fees, right?
Judge, on this ledger here that my client sent me, there's no late fees on here.
Okay, good enough. So default judgment will enter. Writ date will be on the 12th. I'm going to ask you to send that over today, and the amount to be paid to save it from the issuance of the writ is $5412.75. You are all
Thank
set.
you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Wendy Tucker Beck
Right to the podium.
versus Lisa and Stephen Summers, 2605336. Name?
Stephen Summers.
Your name, ma'am?
Lisa Summers.
Ms. Tucker, I don't know why you sent all this over the weekend. I mean, I got to have a chance to read this. I can't. Your name?
Wendy Tucker Beck.
I mean, how am I supposed to read all this? And
I apologize, Your Honor. I have counsel here with me today.
who's your lawyer?
I've retained the law offices of Aaron Cox, I believe.
Where's Mr. Cox
attorney.
at?
I believe Miss Attorney Saab is standing in for him today.
Your Honor,
Correct.
if you may just pass.
I'm sorry?
If you just may pass on this matter briefly while I've concluded another court.
3 days to pay all of it. Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And well, you guys can all stay put. You can have a seat. I'm done with Hidden Oaks. We have this Tucker one, and then I have the Butler one. And the property address is where? It's on Grange? I might just have to go over there before next week. Maybe I'll go over there. Ms. Tucker, you hang out until Mr. Soap gets ready. I'll pass your case. You folks can have a seat right at the table there, okay? Right at the table.
Thank you.
If your son is ready. All right, let's go ahead. Wendy Tucker Beck versus Stephen and Lisa Summers, 2605336. Everybody's name again. Sir, your name.
Stephen Summers.
Ma'am, your name. Mr. Soap, do I have an appearance from you?
I'm on behalf of Aaron Cox, Your Honor. Yes, we did submit an appearance.
We have an appearance, Linda or Jennifer?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Counsel, I'm trying to go through this, and I don't know what this is about, but let me tell you some things that trouble me. I just received all of this. They apparently Ms. Tucker Beck sent it in Friday and today. I don't know what I'm looking at here. It says, or was it Judge Hessen? There were both my friends. I don't know who I'm supposed to be friends with or Judge Hessen's supposed to be friends with.
Your Honor.
Hang on.
I
Thanks,
didn't-
Derek. Landlord tell Rockwood Police and Judge McNally that. See you soon. Where is this all coming from?
That's stuff that I sent.
Yeah. Well,
And that was some text messages. They didn't.
I don't like my name being mentioned, and I sure don't like people.
That was sent to us via text message from the landlord that works for her.
That works for Ms. Tucker Beck?
Correct.
Who's that? Who's your who am I supposed to be friends with this time? I mean, I got so many friends that hold me out as their friends. If I had half as many friends as purportedly are my friends, I wouldn't be at a district judge. I'd be the president. What is this? Is this Mr. Loringer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Loringer, I don't know outside the building. He used to come in front of me quite a bit. Mr. Sobe, let's cut past this. I just don't, it just alarms me when I start hearing I'm friends with people that I don't even know. And I've heard enough of that lately. But listen, what are we going to do about this? I didn't have a chance to review any of the documents. You sent a slew of documents here. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of these. I mean, I'm certainly not reading them, speed reading them now.
If I may, Your Honor, this is a second hearing. I was made aware of a certain a settlement offer that I'd like to present to the defendant. If I may do that, and I don't know if you want me to do that in a private breakout room or if I can do
Yeah,
that
I
on
shouldn't be privy to settlement discussions. I shouldn't be at all. So,
if they have a phone number, I would be more than happy to give them a call.
you guys want to give them the call? Give them the number? What is it?
586.
Five?
Oh, I don't know.
Was it in the car?
Give me 248
248
416
416
0737.
0737. Call them. I'm getting off the bench again. Yeah. We'll go from there. Okay?
Okay, I'll give them a call.
Thank you. You guys go outside or someplace quiet here and talk to the lawyer. Okay? And then you come back in. Do we have any of the
Your Honor?
documents from Mr. Robertson or Mr. Butler yet? Did you send him, Mr. Butler, or was that Mr. Robertson?
I believe Paul is working on sending you guys documents.
I am working through that right now. I am talking to Jennifer in messaging, and I'm on the website. But
You know what I'm gonna do?
yes,
Are you guys working today, Mr. Robertson?
I am actually working from home today. So I
Mr.
am at
Butler, are you?
I am working from home as well.
Am I going to impose inconvenience on anybody if I let everybody send all these documents and you guys log back on at 1:45?
No,
That
Your
works for
Honor.
us.
Log back on at 1:45. Nancy, and you're all set. Linda or Jennifer, go in and talk to Tucker Beck and Mr. So and tell them and tell the Summers that I would like them to log back in at 1:45 as well. Okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
We'll have the photos and I'll Stay seated.
Board is back in session.
All right. Recalling Alexander Trout Williamsburg versus Alexander Trout. This is 2600157. Mr. Trout, your name?
It's Alex Trout.
All right, what'd you guys agree on? State your name, Ms. Cohen.
Carolyn Cohen, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Your Honor. We have a consent judgment to put on the record.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you want me to give you the totals first?
You can just give me the breakdown, rent to retain, late fees, and then costs.
Okay, $1646.54 in rent, $170 late fee, $176.54 in court costs, for a total of $1893.08. The writ date shall be February the 12th. Under further orders, it's going to say no writ will issue as long as defendant pays $613.05 by February 12th, 2026, and February rent and late fee by February 27th, 2000.
Who's that? Do you agree to that, Mr. Trout?
Yes, I do agree
The
to that.
consent judgment will call for you to pay $1893.08. If you pay $613.05 by the 12th, the writ date is extended until the 27th, in which case you must pay the balance between the $1893.08 less the $613.05, assuming you pay that. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Does Ms. Cohen have your permission to sign your name to this proposed consent judgment?
She does.
Since you're unrepresented by a lawyer, you have 3 business days to come in here and fill out a motion to set aside the judgment, 10 days to appeal that. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Any questions?
No, I do not have any at this time.
All right, so just make sure you pay it in accordance with those terms. And she's going to send me the consent judgment today. You should have it in the next 24 hours. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Williamsburg versus Anthony Brown, 2600158. Was there a dismissal filed in this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so motion of the plaintiff, case dismissed. And I also have Williamsburg versus Stephen Theo and Brittany Engel, 2600159. Are they here?
Yes.
Mr. Theo, your name?
Steve Tao.
Miss Engel, your name?
Brittany Engel?
Did you listen to and understand the rights, Mr. Tao?
Yes.
Ms. Engel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you wish to speak to a lawyer, either one of you? Let's start with you, Mr. Tao, or apply for funding?
Your
I'm
Honor,
asking Mr. Tao first.
Oh, sorry.
We've applied for the MDHHS on that.
Good enough. You have to provide us with proof of that within 5 days.
All right.
I'm not here on President's Day. We're closed, so you're applying for funding. You have applied. You need to bring that proof up to us within 5 days up here. Your next court date will be February 23rd. Is that at 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m.?
No, we'll do 10.
10 a.m. So you understand everything, Mr. Tao and Ms. Engel? Mr. Tao?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Engel? Okay. All right. I wish you two well. Just make sure you provide us with proof of your application for funding up here within 5 days, and we'll see you on the 23rd. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Williamsburg versus Matthew Olette, 2600160. Olette.
You should have a dismissal on that, Your Honor. Move for dismissal without prejudice.
Good enough. Motion of the plaintiff, case dismissed. Is that it for you, Ms. Cohen?
Yes, it is. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Have a good day. Thank you. You too. This is Ali Saad versus Ronald Henderson and Gina Henderson, 2600256.
Good morning, Honor.
Mr. Saad, your name?
Ali Saad.
Mr. Henderson, your name? Mr. Henderson, your name?
Ronald Henderson, Your Honor.
Where's Gina Henderson? Is she here?
No, sir, she's not here, Your Honor. She didn't know
Where's
she
she?
had to be here.
Well, did you listen to and understand the rights?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Do you wish to speak to a lawyer?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Do you intend to apply for funding?
Yes, sir. I will today. Yes, sir. I think Gina has already did that. I could bring proof up to you too as well.
You're going to need to bring proof up here within 5 days. That entitles to adjournment, Mr. Saad. I'm going to adjourn it to February the 23rd at 10 o'clock. And you're going to have to provide us with proof of application for funding within 5 days, Mr. Henderson. Mr. Saad, what is the total balance owed? I don't need a breakdown, just the total balance.
I'm not asking for the balance. I need the property back on.
Oh, this is just a,
This is the quit to recover possession.
yeah, this is just, has the lease expired?
It's no lease on it.
You guys just had a month-to-month lease?
Yes.
I don't know if it's month to month. I got the lease. I could bring it up to you, Your Honor.
It doesn't sound like you're going to be able to be there that long, Mr. Henderson. I'll adjourn this 1 week. We're going to make it the 9th. Applying for funding isn't going to help you here. This isn't about money. He just wants you out. So we're coming here the 9th. If you don't, at 10 o'clock, if you don't have a defense, you're going to be out by the 19th. So I'd start making arrangements unless you have some kind of a defense. And I can't imagine what that would be if you guys don't have a written lease that covers this time period. So I'll adjourn it 1 week to
Your
the
Honor,
9th.
can we have it at 11, please?
I'll do whatever you want. 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Saad, anything else?
No, Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll see you next week, you two.
Thank you.
Anthony Butler versus Paul Robertson and Shauna Robertson, 2600122.
Judge, they are scheduled at 11 a.m. Mr. Robertson is here, but like I said, this is scheduled for 11 a.m.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Leidber, I don't know why you're here. I already took care of that. You don't need to be here, sir, so we can go ahead and get rid of that. Unless Mr. What's your names here, folks?
They're 11 o'clock.
Summons.
I don't have anything until 11 then, I guess. So I will be back here at about 5 after, and hopefully something will be ready, okay? If it's not, I'm going to give them till the quarter after before I enter any defaults.
Yes, Judge.
Everybody stay seated. Thank you. Especially you. Substance.
Right. I'm going to take care of these right now.
Ms. Tucker-Beck, just so you know, Judge did take a brief
In this courtroom session, the reality of eviction hits hard, and there's no room for confusion. One tenant agrees to a payment plan, owing nearly $1,900, with strict deadlines that could decide whether he keeps his home or not. In another case, things get even more serious. A tenant asks for time to apply for financial help, but the judge makes it clear this isn't about money anymore. The landlord doesn't want payment. He wants the property back. The warning is direct and harsh. If you don't have a valid defense, you could be out within days. Across the room, other cases are dismissed instantly, while some are delayed. But every decision comes down to preparation, timing, and knowing your situation. This courtroom shows the real side of legal battles. Sometimes it's about money, and sometimes it's already too late. Like and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.